Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. She has been working at the same company over 10 years. Right answer is B, 4. We were surprised because the train already left. Right answer is C, had. She speaks French fluently because she in Paris for many years. Right answer is A, has lived. The manager was angry because the door open all night. Right answer is C, had left. I don't know how to solve this problem. It's 2. Right answer is A, difficult. He was very tired, so to go out with us. Right answer is C, refused. I will help you only if you me honestly. Right answer is A, tell. She would have passed the exam if she a little harder. Right answer is C, had studied. The teacher made the students the chapter again. Right answer is B, read. We will not go outside unless it's raining. Right answer is C, stops. I wonder why she to the party last night. Right answer is B, didn't come. The doctor advised him smoking. Right answer is B, to give up. Everyone in the room silent when the principal entered. Right answer is C, was. As soon as I entered the room, something was wrong. Right answer is B, felt. I don't remember where my phone. Right answer is C, kept. The little boy was punished because he, a lie. Right answer is A, told. She, for her lost dog all morning. Right answer is C, was looking. I have 2 brothers, but of them lives with me. Right answer is C, neither. This problem is too difficult for me, too. Right answer is B, solve. He will finish the work before you, back. Right answer is C, come. He was arrested because the law. Right answer is A, broke. She was late because the wrong bus. Right answer is B, had taken. We were watching TV when the lights off. Right answer is B, went. It has been years since I last him. Right answer is A, saw. You should take an umbrella in case it. Right answer is B, rains.